used to feeling stressed all the time. This is how I live.
My name is Susan, and my son Ben was diagnosed with autism 2 years ago.
Sometimes I just can't catch my breath.
I feel tired all the time.
I've gained so much weight since his diagnosis. I don't ever sleep. I know this is taking a toll on me.
So we know by now, after studying this for 10 years, that caregivers are under a tremendous amount of stress that affects their body all the way down to their chromosomes.
You heard right. Stress affects your chromosomes. That's Alyssa Eppel, longtime stress researcher, professor at UCSF, and my collaborator on this project. I'm Eve Kupferman, also at UCSF. Stress is a big problem for many of us. Too much work, no rest, always running, relationship problems, inevitable daily hassles. The caregiver moms have helped us understand how day in and day out stress chips away at your cells, and we have a plan to do something about it. But first, a brief explainer. These are chromosomes, and this is Nobel laureate Elizabeth Blackburn. Alyssa and Elizabeth have collaborated on a number of studies, including the ongoing research with the caregiver moms. In a nutshell, they've shown chronic stress speeds up cell aging. This happens on the tips of chromosomes, an area called telomeres. Telomeres are like caps that protect your chromosomes and DNA. They get shorter with age and cell division, but stress causes this to happen much more quickly. And shorter telomeres can lead to all sorts of problems: cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, depression, the list goes on. It's early morning in San Francisco. Turns out there's good news for your telomeres. How you think, feel, and behave can actually rejuvenate your cells, slow down cell aging, and may even help shorter telomeres become long again. A potent ingredient is the ability to be present in what you are doing in a moment-to-moment sort of way. Alyssa showed that people who had more presence of mind and less mind wandering had longer telomeres. And another study showed that this can be taught. People who had intensive mindfulness training had longer telomeres than those on a wait list. Okay, so going to a mountain to meditate or even a regular yoga class may not be possible for you. It certainly isn't for the caregiver moms. I'm thrilled to be working with Alyssa on this. We're developing a smartphone application that will combine mindfulness training and principles of stress reduction. The idea is to create something that gets incorporated into people's daily lives. Our plan is to have very brief in-the-moment exercises, social support and interaction features, a biosensor that will measure level of physiological stress, and lots of feedback so the moms can see trends and changes in how the exercises impact stress levels. Since the app will be designed for the moms in our currently funded caregiver study, we only need funding for the prototype design and build. Our plan is to begin a clinical trial next January, and we're really excited to see if it has an effect on telomere length and other markers of physiological and psychological stress. After that, you may find it on iTunes for your downloading pleasure.